Hi, today a lot of students are getting confused कि MBA कब करना है, कैसे करना है, कहाँ से करना है, is it worth doing a full-time MBA or not? Is it better to do a distance MBA or an online MBA or an executive MBA? तो ये सारे सवालों के जवाब मैं इस वीडियो में देने की कोशिश करूँगा. So if you like this video, you exactly know what to do, and then let's solve your problem one after the other, right? So let's try and understand the 5 major differences between a regular MBA and an executive MBA, right? So a regular MBA is generally for 2 years. It starts with an academic year from July. Sometimes you also have a winter batches depending on the college that you choose. The full-time MBA are priced very expensive. An average college will charge you anywhere between 5 to 6 lakh rupees. The top colleges like the IIMs or the top 10 after the IIMs will generally cost you anywhere between 14 to 20 lakhs. You know, that could be a range. अगर आपके पास 2 साल का पेमेंट करने की कैपेसिटी है, and if you're really good at it, definitely go ahead for it, right? The number 2 thing is most of the full-time MBAs are for freshers. Soon after college, somebody wants to do an MBA because उनको लगता है कि काम करने के बाद उनका मन नहीं लगेगा MBA करने में. They might get distracted, they might lose the journey in their work process, family commitment and so on and so forth. उस डर की वजह से वो रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहते. Soon after graduation, they go in for a regular MBA. Any good college abroad would definitely not consider you to be a fresher. They would definitely want an MBA to be experienced professional. So India में चलता है, if you are good in academics, go ahead and do a full-time MBA if you feel it is right for you soon after college. Number 3, full-time MBA does not generally require you to have any kind of a work experience. So if you're a fresher, mindset आपका सिर्फ समझने में है, more of practical work, go ahead and do a full-time MBA. But if you are more about नहीं मुझे management consulting का job चाहिए, I need to get into mid-level management, I need to get a little more better in terms of my salary and so on and so forth. Unless you get into the top colleges, ये एक myth है. Average salary of an MBA is anywhere between 25,000 and 35,000 से नीचे ही. Very exceptional cases where companies pay you beyond a 10 lakh package only when it comes to the top 10 colleges. So you need to be the best of 1,000 people in the entire India, right? So coming back to the executive education, executive MBA is not new, but it is picking up. Why? Because जो लोग ग्रेजुएशन के बाद काम करना शुरू कर देते हैं, they somehow feel that they need to upgrade themselves because of corporate requirement, competition, requirement as per the skills of leadership and management and so on and so forth. उनको लगता है कि उनको MBA करना ज़रूरी है, और ये जाहिर सी बात है कि MBA is definitely worth it when you have some understanding of how business works. So an executive MBA is valid. You can continue to do an executive MBA for either 1 year, quit your job, take a sabbatical leave, और जाकर 1 साल का proper MBA करें आप. अगर ये आपके बस की बात नहीं है तो you can do a part-time MBA. Part-time का मतलब ये होता है कि आप Monday to Friday काम करें और Saturday और Sunday आप अपना time और energy you spend that on doing an executive MBA. There are many options across different zone. Mind you कि ये distance और क्या बोलते हैं correspondence MBA नहीं है. This is executive MBA. This is one level higher. Most of the colleges would require anywhere between 2 to 5 years of work experience, right? Freshers are not allowed in this program, so it's only for working professionals. So people with different industries, different mindset, work experience category के हिसाब से you will be rubbing shoulders with somebody who's got 5 to 10 years of experience. उनके साथ भी आप बैठ के आप कुछ नया सीख सकते हैं. That's the level that MBA is going to give you. It is more practical, less of theory, more of case study methodology. So any good college or university that you're doing an executive MBA from, वहाँ पे आपको case study methodology सिखाया जाएगा कि आपको problem solve कैसे करते हैं. So they give you case studies from Harvard, Oxford, other प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट से केस स्टडीज लेते हैं और सॉल्व करते हैं क्लासरूम में. इट इज़ मोर प्रैक्टिकल रादर देन जस्ट द कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड टेक्स्ट बुक्स. Number 2 thing is about it focuses more about experience and networking. ये आपको network सिखा देता है. You get to rub shoulders with somebody from different telecom industry से, real estate से लेके IT से लेके non-IT engineers, non-engineers, everybody put together is a beautiful combination of people where you share your network and knowledge, so that enhances your job and career opportunities, right? And it also helps you build 2 main skills required at the top level: leadership skills and problem solving skills. Leadership skills and management skills are very important कि अगर आपको grow करना है, you have to have leadership and management skills, right? These are some of the most important differences between a regular MBA and a executive MBA. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि आप इस दोनों के बीच में आपको सही लगता है कि आपको फुल टाइम MBA करना है, तो बेशक जाइए, प्लीज़ डू अ full time MBA. Do it from a reputed institute. I will probably share the list of reputed institutes in my upcoming video, so you can follow me for more such information. But if you feel that नहीं मुझे काम करना है, पैसे कमाना है, and parallelly I can do it, you are the better judge. Both the decisions are yours. I'm just here to give you the information, but if I have to give the best of advice to my own brother, I would strongly recommend him to do a full-time MBA only from the IIMs or the top 10 colleges. If he is not eligible to get into the top 10 colleges, I would strongly recommend him to do an executive MBA after maybe working for about 2 to 3 years. Yeah, that's the right time. So I hope this video was informative. If you like it, please drop a comment. Let me know in the comments what did you like about this and what is it that I can really help you in understanding within my scope. I will definitely try myself. अच्छा लगे तो शेयर कीजिए, subscribe to my channel, and I'm so happy to have you watching my video till the end. Thank you so much. God bless. Signing off. This is Professor Kumel Kirmani. Take care.